Meaning of instinct.
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 Instinct. Instinct refers to a natural or innate behavior or inclination that is not learned or directly influenced by conscious decision-making. It is often associated with survival and self-preservation, and can manifest as automatic responses to certain stimuli or situations. Examples of instincts in animals include hunting, nesting, and migration, while examples in humans might include the drive for socialization, the desire to protect one's young, or the fight or flight response.